Every year, Cleveland Clinic celebrates the innovation culture that runs deep within the organization. Guided by our enterprise mission to continue to improve the care of our patients receive, innovation is happening at every clinical and administrative level. The home to many breakthroughs, from the first coronary angiography in 1952 to the discovery of an intestinal bacterial product that can predict heart disease in 2013. Cleveland Clinic makes ideas realities with patient care advancements as the underlying theme. Last year, caregivers continued to make medical breakthroughs, spanning from the first U.S. birth of a patient with a uterine transplant and Northern Ohio's first in utero spinal bifida repair to the world's first successful single-port robotic kidney transplant in the Midwest's first purely laparoscopic living donor liver transplant. But these are merely the ones that broke headlines. Even more of last year's innovative research and developments should be celebrated as its eventual impact on healthcare and to our patients at bedside. Leveraging these success to inspire other caregivers is the purpose behind celebrating innovation. This celebration takes a deep dive into remarkable achievements in the areas of health information technology, medical devices, and life sciences. Each category takes a closer look at the domain experts that are pushing innovation forward in their respective fields. Nominations explore the impact of ideas, ventures, or partnerships in the work that took place to elevate this concept beyond just paper. Recognizing that Cleveland Clinic cannot solve everything, we pursue relationships with the experts outside of our walls to help us further our mission. These partnerships have allowed us to deliver care to more patients across the globe. Advancing patient care is continually moving the bar. Each year, Cleveland Clinic continues to unravel the core needs of our patients. This elevation requires innovation and out-of-the-box ideas that meets patients where they are. As we move closer to our mission to be the best partner for patients, our caregivers have continued to push the pursuit in identifying the areas for improvement and opportunity. Together, we will create the best possible place to deliver and receive innovative healthcare for our patients. Celebrating innovation allows a moment to pause and reflect on the momentous successes Cleveland Clinic innovators have achieved and the areas the organization has yet to explore. We are very fortunate and honored to work with such amazing inventors across the organization. We reside at the cutting edge of medical innovation. Celebrations like this remind us how rare and lucky it is to work at the Cleveland Clinic, alongside some of the most talented and passionate caregivers and inventors in the world. Our objectives are clear. We want to translate your ideas beyond Cleveland Clinic. In order to do this, our team forges strong bonds with our inventors and institutes. These partnerships allow us to be upfront, creative, and nimble as possible. Not every idea will result in a license or spinoff, but we hope we can always offer helpful feedback and a learning opportunity one way or another. Celebrating innovation is an opportunity for us to recognize all of the caregivers that engage with innovations. We are here to recognize and celebrate those caregivers who have engaged in the invent process in 2019. From taking their first step in submitting a new invention or an idea, to receiving an issued patent, to achieving a milestone in the development of their idea, their invention, and ideally a commercial outcome. We thank each one of you for your continued collaboration and your enthusiasm to embrace Cleveland Clinic's culture of innovation. We invite you to explore our Celebration of Innovation report and hear straight from the individuals who are being recognized this year. Please join me in congratulating all of the Cleveland Clinic inventors. We are excited about the opportunity to extend their passion for innovation and its ability to impact patients everywhere. Our innovation awards are given to individuals that have not only had success, but have embodied the spirit of innovation. Innovations has learned something from each of you and looks forward to continuing to work with each of you. Each invention and process is always incredibly unique, and it is important to share these stories to encourage others to explore the innovation process. Outstanding innovation in medical device, Dr. Vinod Labassetwar, for his work pushing the boundaries of nanoparticle technology. Outstanding innovation in health information technology, Dr. Jay Alberts, for his use of VR technology for realistic observations in Parkinson's patients. Outstanding innovation in therapeutics and diagnostics, Dr. Diane Perez, for her development of a drug for increased function in Alzheimer's disease. Outstanding innovation in delivery solutions, Dr. Lisa Yerian and Nate Hurl, for their innovative concept around tiered daily huddles. And finally, the Young Innovator Award, Dr. Feizhan Sheng, for his work applying systems biology technology and network medicine methodologies to predict drug targets. We are thankful for all of our inventors, not just those we recognize this year. Everyone has the ability to innovate, and our history tells us this. I hope that the stories shared inspire you to innovate something new or push further on a project that you've been working on. I encourage everyone to reach out to your colleagues and congratulate them as we learn more about their work and we continue to celebrate innovation at Cleveland Clinic. Thank you.